How to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If Windows 11 is not detecting your second monitor, then the first thing you want to do is unplug your second monitor and plug it back again. If there is a power button on the second monitor, make sure it is turned on. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to the manufacturer's website. Now download any applicable drivers from here. If your problem is still not fixed, click on the Start menu, then select the gear icon to open up your settings. Now click on System, then click on Display. Now you will have the option of multiple displays. Go ahead and click on the Detect option. This should detect your second monitor. Now, if your monitor is still not detected, then the next thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search for Device Manager. Now double-click on Display Adapters, right-click on your display adapter and click on the Update Driver option. From here, select Search Automatically for Updated Driver Software option. Once the updated driver is installed, head back to the settings and check if the second monitor is detected. If you are still experiencing problems, you can go online and manually download the driver software. If you want to get the information about the driver software, right-click on here and click on the Properties option. Then click on the Driver tab. Here you should find the driver provider, driver date, and driver version. So what you want to do is open up any web browser. Then you want to search for that driver. For example, if it is an AMD driver, search that. Then click on the Auto Detect option. Here make sure that you download the right driver. After the driver has been installed, you want to refresh that tool. If it still does not work, you want to restart your entire system, and after that your second monitor will be detected. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.